Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet heart and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 1.6 millimeter. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make 78 chains as shown now. Now I finished that chains. Then I will turn and skip 19 chains. Then make slip stitch as shown now to make a ring. Then make 3 chains and skip next 2 chains. Then make slip stitch. And turn our work and make a chain. Then make 34 treble crochet stitches into the space of 19 chains as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then make 3 treble crochet stitches into the space of 3 chains as shown now here. Into the same space 3 treble crochet stitches. Then make 35 treble crochet stitches into the next chains as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then make 34 treble crochet stitches around the remaining 20 chains as shown now. Around all chains as shown now, not inside the chain. I made around the chain as shown now. I hope that obvious for you. I will make 34 treble crochet stitch around the remaining 20 chains as shown now. Then make treble crochet stitch together with the last treble crochet here and the last treble crochet of previous 35 triple crochet stitches as shown now to make a ring. That is the second ring for the heart, the second part outside for our heart as shown now. Then I will skip next 2 triple crochet stitches, then make slip stitch as shown now. Then make 3 chains and skip next 2 stitches, then make slip stitch again. Then make 3 chains again and turn our work. Then skip next 2 triple crochet stitches of the first ring as shown now and make triple crochet stitch as shown now. Then make 3 chains and skip next stitch, then make triple crochet. And repeat with the same sequence. So I will make 3 chain and skip next stitch, then make triple crochet. Repeat the same thing around the 2 rings of that heart. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will join 2 hearts to make a ring as shown now. I will skip next 2 stitches, then make slip stitch for the first ring of the heart. Then I will make a chain and turn our work. That is the first ring. I will make single crochet into the first space, then make 4 chains, then make another single crochet stitch into the first space, into the same space as shown now. Then make single crochet above next triple crochet and make another single crochet into the next space, then make 4 chains and make single crochet again into the same space and make single crochet above triple crochet from the previous row and repeat with the same sequence across the row, but leave the last 6 spaces without crocheting. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will skip 5 spaces from the inside into the second ring, then join with the slip stitch to make a heart as shown now. Then flip the heart and make 2 chains. Then pull the loop from the space of 3 chains on of the other side as shown now. Other side of the heart, the right side. I will pull the loop and make 3 chains. Then make single crochet on the other sides. Then make single crochet above next triple crochet and make 2 chains. Then pull the loop from space of 3 chains of the right side of the heart and continue to join 3 spaces together for the 2 sides. Then continue making single crochet above next triple crochet from the previous row and make single crochet and 4 chains and single crochet into the space to make another 3 rings of 3 chains as shown now. Now I finished with the shape. Then close with slip stitch and cut our yarn and fasten off. Now I finished that crochet heart and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.